Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. This message is broadcast at the request of the United States government. At 1:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 10:35 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, numerous 911 calls came in from across the country describing citizens suddenly smelling methane gas. In addition, existing fires across the country suddenly exploded, creating firestorms fueled by the gas. It is completely unknown how this situation began, but until further notice, all United States citizens are urged to wear a gas mask at all times and not light any fires, as this may lead to an explosion. Further updates will be broadcast when they become available.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this message. This station has interrupted its programming at request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and updates in assigned areas. This is KDL, and we will continue to serve the Texarkana area. If you are not in this local area, tune to a station providing news and updates in your assigned area. Don't use the phone. The lines must be kept open for emergency use. The EAS has been activated.